Do you know why our equipment has withstood 10 years of extreme testing? The answer is here. European standard craft plus international brand components. You can see that the circuit board arrangement as a whole looks very tidy and nice. The design of our electrical hardware is completely in accordance with the European CE standard wiring process. Electrical components and wires are wired and installed in accordance with the European standard, equipped with a complete circuit diagram. Each wire has a clear wiring number. The color is distinct and very clear. Adopting bright gray high-level European standard large wire not only can reduce that heat retention between the wires, but also greatly improve the aesthetics of the wire. Our electrical hardware all use international famous brands such as Schneider from France, Carlo Grassi from Switzerland, Omron from Japan, Siemens from Germany, and so on, to ensure the reliability of the electrical system hardware. Today's introduction is over, but still want to know more? Welcome to follow us.